Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new chapter in automotive history. Today we dive deep into the world premiere of the BMW iX3, the very first vehicle of the Neue Klasse. This is not just another launch, not just another electric vehicle. This is BMW reimagined from the ground up, the beginning of a new era, one that blends design, innovation, and emotion into a single driving experience. For BMW, this is a once-in-a-lifetime moment. And for us, it is the chance to witness how the future of mobility is being defined. Let us begin where this story truly takes root, with a vision. In 2021, BMW's leadership promised at the IAA mobility event in Munich that the brand would lead into a new era through the Neue Klasse. Just 4 years later, that promise has materialized. The iX3 is more than just an electric sports activity vehicle. It represents an entirely new model generation that BMW believes will shape the brand for years to come. Why now? Because the world is ready. Because the automotive industry stands at a crossroads. And because BMW identified the perfect moment to make a bold leap forward. At the start of this decade, advances in battery technology, computing power, and digital experiences converged to create an opportunity. A rare chance to rethink the car completely. A chance to make the leap from traditional premium to future-defining luxury. BMW saw it, seized it, and delivered it. And the result is here before us today. The iX3 is the tangible product of BMW's road to the Neue Klasse. Along the way, we saw 5 vision vehicles, each highlighting one essential element of this future. From concepts that showcased sustainability and circular economy principles, to the iVision D, which blurred reality and virtual interaction, BMW gradually unveiled its future direction. At IAA 2023, the design language became concrete with a sporty sedan concept, followed by a vision of future SAVs. And with every reveal, the foundation of the iX3 became clearer. Today, that vision has turned into a reality. So, what makes the iX3 so important? At its heart, it's not just about building another electric SUV. BMW's goal was to create the best overall system for its customers, integrating technology, design, sustainability, and user experience into one seamless package. The iX3 embodies this philosophy. It is the first expression of what every BMW of the future will be: clean, purposeful, emotional, and deeply human-centered. Let's look at design. The iX3 maintains the solid proportions of a BMW sports activity vehicle. It has presence. It has strength. The stance emphasizes all 4 wheels, creating a sense of power and agility. The surfaces are deliberately clean, with only a few precise lines. A minimalist approach that reduces visual clutter while amplifying confidence. At the front, chrome is replaced with light. The iconic BMW kidneys are now vertically oriented, paired with a more upright overall look. This is not just cosmetic change. It is a new design philosophy. The daytime running lights form a unique signature, making the iX3 instantly recognizable, both in daylight and at night. At the rear, another new light signature emphasizes width and stability, enhancing the strong shoulders of the vehicle. Together, these elements give the iX3 a stance that is solid, muscular yet refined. Now step inside. The interior of the iX3 is where the magic of Neue Klasse truly comes alive. BMW's focus has always been the driving experience, and this remains at the core. But now it is redefined. The centerpiece is the all-new BMW panoramic vision display. Unlike a traditional head-up display, this system projects across the entire lower area of the windshield. Visible to all passengers, it creates a shared experience while keeping the driver's focus firmly on the road. It is the next evolutionary step in digital information. Alongside it is a free-floating central display, simplified and clean. Add to this BMW's iconic steering wheel, and together they form the foundation of the new panoramic iDrive system. This is not just an update. It is a reinvention of how humans interact with their cars. Technology also extends beyond the screens. The user experience begins even before you enter the vehicle. As you approach the iX3, it responds. It welcomes you. It adjusts to your preferences. Through My Modes, you can curate the entire driving environment, from screen content to colors, lighting, soundscapes, and even driving dynamics. This creates not just a mode of transportation, but a tailored, emotional journey. Whether you seek calm efficiency, sporty excitement, or immersive digital interaction, the iX3 can deliver. But what about performance? After all, this is BMW, and sheer driving pleasure remains the guiding principle. While exact specifications are reserved for detailed product sheets, BMW emphasizes that the iX3 delivers significantly greater range, aided by its aerodynamic design and cutting-edge battery technology. The Neue Klasse platform incorporates advancements in energy density and efficiency, ensuring that range anxiety becomes a thing of the past. Add to that BMW's legendary chassis tuning and driving dynamics, and you have a vehicle that does not compromise, neither on sustainability nor on performance. And this brings us to sustainability itself. The iX3 is a manifestation of BMW's commitment to the circular economy. Materials are chosen with responsibility. Production processes are optimized for efficiency and reduced emissions. Every step of its creation reflects a dedication to both luxury and responsibility. For BMW, being premium in the 21st century is not just about leather, performance, or craftsmanship. It is about leaving a positive footprint while delivering the ultimate experience. Let us not forget the broader context. The iX3 is just the beginning. It is the first production vehicle of the Neue Klasse, but it sets the tone for an entire generation of cars that will follow. Sedans, SAVs, and more, all designed with the same philosophy, the same commitment, and the same innovation. The iX3 is the opening chapter of a book that will be written over the next decade. Ladies and gentlemen, the BMW iX3 is more than a car. It is a statement, a declaration that the future of premium mobility is here, and BMW intends to lead it. It combines aerodynamic elegance, digital innovation, sustainable responsibility, and dynamic performance into one cohesive whole. For customers, it offers not just a way to move, but a way to experience, to feel, and to connect. For the industry, it raises the bar of what an electric vehicle can and should be. So as we stand here in Munich witnessing this world premiere, we realize we are not just seeing another model, we are seeing a symbol, a vision fulfilled, a promise kept, and a bold step into the future. The iX3 is here, the Neue Klasse has begun, and the road ahead is filled with possibilities. This is not just a launch, it is history in motion. This is the BMW iX3.